In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and hide spoiler text on the Discord mobile app using a simple keyboard shortcut. Spoiler text looks like this when done on Discord. At first, all you'll see is a black box around the text that you want to hide, and when you tap the box, the text will then appear. You may even want to put in parentheses before the box "spoiler alert" so that people know what to expect. To hide a word or sentence, start with a new message on any text channel inside of Discord. Before you get to the word or sentence that you want to start hiding, we need to find the pipe or vertical line key. On an iPhone here, and on most mobile keyboards, it's inside of the secondary keyboard screen. Tap the 1, 2, 3 icon on the bottom left. Next, we need to go another screen down, so tap the More icon here on the left. You'll then see the pipe or vertical line key next to the backslash key. Type in 2 lines and then a space. Next, type the word or sentence that you want to hide. When you're finished, put in another space and then 2 more vertical lines. When you're done, type the rest of what you want to put in, or if you're finished, go ahead and send your message. Once your message sends in post, you'll see whatever text that you put in between the lines will then be covered in a spoiler black box. If you want to show the text, all you have to do is tap the box and it will then display what was hidden. And that's how you create and hide spoiler text on the Discord mobile app.